morning, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you the power of a power exponent rule. So this is just with a base and an exponent on the outside, okay? So starting with the first one, I have 2 to the 4th all being squared. When we have an exponent on the inside and an exponent on the outside, we multiply the exponents together. In the past, we added the exponents, we left the exponents alone, we subtracted the exponents. Today we are multiplying the exponents. So 2 to the 4th to the 2nd, our two exponents are that 4 and that 2 on the outside. We are multiplying 4 times 2 to get an exponent of 8. So 2 to the 4 to the 2nd really means 2 to the 4 times 2 power. 4 times 2 is 2 to the 8th. We still need to reduce 2 to the 8th because it's a number. That's where this comes in handy. A calculator. So we type in 2. This button right here, x to the y, means the exponent button. So 2 to the, click that button, 8th power equals 256. So 2 to the 4 to the 2nd, which means 2 to the 8th, gives me an answer of 256. And I just got this calculator off Google. Just Google calculator and it should be easy for you to use. All right, let's go to the second one. I have 8 to the 1st to the 2nd. That means I'm multiplying the two exponents. The one that's inside the parenthesis is going to be multiplied to the one that's outside the parenthesis. So this becomes 8 to the 1 times 2 power. Well, 8 to the 1 times 2 is just 2. 8 squared, we're going to plug it into the calculator, but most of you should know this. 8 to the power of 2 gives me 64. So 8 to the 1 times 2, or 8 squared, gives me 64. If it's a number at the end, you have to simplify it, so there's no more exponents. Same thing with this one, 3 to the 4 to the 3rd. We grab the two exponents, the 4 on the inside and the 3 on the outside, and we multiply them together. 3 to the 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 3 to the 12th power. Okay, this one would be a lot harder to do in your head, so that's where the calculator comes into play. 3 to the 12th power equals, try to do this in your head, 531,441. 3 to the 12th equals 531,441. This is why calculators come into play. All right, now we have two exponents with a base that is a variable. We do the same process. So instead of this being x to the 9 to the 3rd, we change it to x to the 9 times 3. What's 9 times 3? 27. X to the 27th power. Can I simplify x to the 27th power? Is x a number like how 3 was a number? No. So this is our final answer. And the last one, z to the 12th to the 6th. I take my exponent on the outside and I multiply it with the exponent on the inside. Z to the 12 to the 6 simply means Z to the 12 times 6th power. 12 times 6, I'll give you a second to think about it, is 36. Oh my gosh, no it is not. It is 72, Miss Catalano. So my final answer is Z to the 72nd power. I think I need another cup of coffee. Anyway, we can't simplify this further because Z is not a number, so we are done. That is how you do power to a power with just a base. And tune in for how to do it with a base and a coefficient.